Hey everyone, it's Becky from Starkweather here to give you another tip in our 1 Minute YM series. So, adding new sessions to an event gives you the ability to record attendance for each session separately and also assign specific credits to each session. However, you can also use these sessions for targeted email campaigns. Today, we're going to go over how to create an email campaign list from a session. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get to our list of registrants for the event. And the easiest way to do that is to go to your dashboard and click on the name of the event. We're going to choose the Zombie Square Dance. Once that page resolves, you'll see a bunch of different ways that you can search for lists from your registrants. Today, we're going to go and scroll down to where it says by session and then choose our costume making session and then click apply. When that refreshes, you'll be able to see all of the registrants who registered for that specific event session. When you're satisfied that you have the correct list, you can come up to the top right of your screen and click on Create Campaign List. Now, this part can take a couple minutes sometimes. It just depends on a couple different factors. But to explain why this is happening, one of the golden rules of creating a campaign list is that if it starts out untitled, we're going to title it. So for this specific campaign, we're going to edit the name up here, highlight it, and name it Zombie Square Dance Costume Making Attendance, and then click Save. And what this is going to allow us to do is create a targeted email campaign to those people who are interested in this specific session. This can be useful for many different types of sessions, including those based on topics that are very popular among your members. Thanks for joining us today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next 1 Minute YM.